How do you use the lookup array for advanced Excel XLOOKUP? Imagine searching through a huge list for a specific name or number and getting exactly what you need in a flash. That's what mastering the lookup array in XLOOKUP can do for your spreadsheets. It's like having a superpower for finding data quickly and accurately. Today, we're going to see how to make the most of this feature in advanced Excel techniques. The lookup array is the range or set of cells where Excel looks for your search term. Think of it as the place where your data lives and where you want Excel to search. It can be a column of product codes, a row of dates, or even a dynamic range created by formulas. When you use XLOOKUP, the lookup array is the second argument. It tells Excel exactly where to look for the value you're searching for. One key point is that the lookup array can be a vertical or horizontal range. If your data is in a column, you use a column as the lookup array. If it's in a row, then a row becomes your lookup array. This flexibility allows you to perform lookups in any direction, unlike older functions like VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP that had limitations. You can also use named ranges for your lookup array. This makes your formulas cleaner and easier to manage, especially when working with large or complex sheets. For example, if you name a range of sales data as sales data, you can use that name as your lookup array, making your formulas more understandable. Dynamic ranges are another powerful feature. You can create a lookup array that adjusts automatically as your data changes. For instance, using Excel's dynamic array functions, you can set the lookup array to a range that expands or contracts based on your data. This way, your XLOOKUP stays up to date without manual adjustments. The lookup array also works with optional parameters like match mode and search mode. Match mode controls whether Excel finds an exact match, the next smaller or larger item, or uses wildcards for pattern matching. Determines whether Excel searches from top to bottom or bottom to top, or uses binary search for sorted data. These options give you control over how the lookup operates, making it more precise and faster. Wildcards can be used in the lookup array when match mode is set to 2. This allows partial matching, so you can find all entries that contain a certain word or pattern. For example, searching with a wildcard like Apple can find all items with the word Apple in their name. Handling errors is simple with the ifNotFound argument. If your lookup value isn't in the lookup array, you can specify a custom message or value instead of getting an error. This makes your spreadsheets more user-friendly and robust. Advanced applications include using the lookup array to perform reverse lookups, where you search in a column to find a value in a different column. You can also combine multiple lookup arrays for multi-criteria searches or create dynamic lookup arrays based on other cell values. This flexibility allows you to build powerful automated solutions that adapt to your data. In summary, mastering how to define and manipulate the lookup array in XLOOKUP unlocks a new level of efficiency. It lets you perform complex, flexible lookups that go beyond traditional functions. Whether you're working with dynamic ranges, wildcards, or error handling, understanding the lookup array is essential for advanced Excel users. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can save you time and help you analyze data more effectively.